Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create and post manual journals in Xero. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for xero.com. Now log in with your credentials and once you are in, go to the top of your screen and you will see here several tabs. Click on the accounting tab and from the drop down menu, select manual journals. Now, once you are inside, you will see the new journal option. Click on this, and here your first thing you have to write is narration. For example, I am writing here sample. Then here you have to write the date, and then comes the auto reversing date option. So, for if you want Xero to automatically reverse the entry later, you can fill the date here. Now, here you have to add line in the items. For example, description. So, for each line, select the correct account. Like here, I'm writing sample. Then I have to write the account. For example, 400 advertising. Then you have to fill the region, debit and credit amount. Make sure the journal balance, the total debit must equal to total credits here. Add description for each line to clarify its purpose and choose save as draft if you want to review it later, or click on the post to finalize the journal and update the journal ledger. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.